So as you can see here, my radio is showing a hazardous materials warning. And that is because last night at about 4 in the morning, KACD toned this out. This happened after the shelter-in-place warning to notify people that the shelter-in-place orders had been lifted, which came in around 11:30. And as far as I can recall, I couldn't get a recording of the hazardous materials warning itself, because of course I was asleep. But it said something like, there's still a noxious cloud over the county which is changing patterns due to the weather, and they're asking if you come in line with this cloud to please shelter in place until it passes. I mean, these are two alerts that I never expected to get, much less back to back like this.
7, wind calm at Chattanooga.
And unfortunately, I can't even get a proper recording of this hazardous materials warning because KACD just refuses to repeat it. Later in this video, I will include the section that I managed to record last night after it came in. For some reason, it already expired on my WX150. And here is the shelter-in-place warning. Whoops, wrong direction. And there's my 2005-261 showing the hazardous materials warning, which of course doesn't have a log, so I can't show you the shelter-in-place warning. But anyway, there it is. Now thankfully for me, I still haven't smelled any chlorine from this fire. And as you can see, it looks pretty clear outside today. But I don't know. I'll definitely keep monitoring. So now, here comes the scroll video from last night of the shelter-in-place warning, along with the brief recording at the end of the hazardous materials warning I got this morning.
It is changing patterns due to the weather. If you come in line with the cloud, please shelter in place. The following message is transmitted at the request of Rockdale County Emergency Management Agency. As of 7:45 p.m., Rockdale EMA is lifting the shelter-in-place recommendation and the evacuation plan for Rockdale County effective immediately. At 3 a.m. in Atlanta, it was mostly